Let us now understand alkanes. Hydrocarbons containing single bond between two carbon atoms is called alkanes. General formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N is number of carbon atoms and 2n plus 2 is number of hydrogen atoms. For N equals to 1, we have CH4, that is methane. Methane is the first member of alkane. The structure of methane is given here. It is tetrahedral in geometry and angle between two CH bonds is 109.5 degree. Second member for N equals to 2 is C2H6, that is ethane. Structure of the ethane is given here. It is also tetrahedral in geometry and angle between two CH bond is 111.17 degree. The third member for N equals to 3 is C3H8, which is known as propane. Structure of propane is given here. The geometry of carbon in propane is also tetrahedral in nature. Fourth member for N equals to 4 is butane, that is C4H10. Structure of butane is given here. The carbon of butane is also tetrahedral in nature, and so on. No more. Number of carbon atoms explains the member of alkane. The members are CH4, that is methane, C2H6, that is ethane, C3H8, that is propane, C4H10, that is butane, and C5H12, that is pentane, and so on. This series is known as homologous series. In alkanes, each member differs by CH2 from their succeeding or preceding members. Nomenclature and isomerism. Let us now understand nomenclature. There are two names of members of alkane: general or trivial and IUPAC. IUPAC nomenclature. We will first see the nomenclature of linear chain alkanes. For example, CS3 single bond, CS2 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 single bond, CS3. Take numbering from either sides also. Write the name as C8 for oct plus ane, which is octane. Let us understand isomerism. Isomers are compounds with the same molecular formula but different structural formula. Isomers do not necessarily share similar properties unless they also have the same functional groups. Compounds of alkanes show the structural isomerism. The compounds containing more than 3 carbon atoms can be arranged more than one way. For example, isomerism of butane, that is C4H10. Butane have two structural isomers. The first one is simple straight chain, that is CS3 CS2 CS2 CS3, and the second one is branch chain, that is CS3 CH CS3 single bond CS3, that is 2-methyl propane.